Alright guys, I'm back at the 54. Starting to work on this grill. This is really nice. This is the inside. You know, surface rust. Little flaking, you know, little stuff here and there. Nothing major. There was a big dent right here. I just got it out. But what I found out, let me grab my flashlight real quick. So far being rust free, everything is coming out really nice. But what I found out is that, I don't know if you can see this in here. Hang on. I don't think you can. Maybe. Let me get this light on there. This thing is just horrible. But it says 31. Yeah, there we go. 31720. And it wouldn't surprise me if it is 31,000 miles. This truck's been sitting forever. But that is it. 54 Chevy. Like I said, let me flip this real quick. There we go. It used to be white. So this is the one with the white grill. I've seen a few pictures of them. Some got chrome, some have white. This is the one with the white. So we're going to sand it down and start it over, just like everything else. Yeah, the door was great. Like I said, just all surface rust. I did the hammering and dialing on that. We're getting ready to 2K it. This one's already been 2K'd. I found a couple spots that I had to go back over. So I'm going to do it again. So 54 Chevy. 31,000 miles? I don't know. Maybe? Maybe not.